Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Resso apps music. Now let's get started. First, open your Resso apps, but if you don't have a Resso, you can download first at Google Play Store uh, or on the Play Store. And in here, if you wanna log in to Resso, you can see three options. You can log in with a TikTok account, you can log in with Facebook account, and you can log in with a Google account. But in here I wanna try to log in with TikTok account, so you just click on the TikTok account, and after this in here you can waiting. Okay, and after this in here you can click on authorize this one, click on it, and okay, and finish. So after this you can log in to Resso apps. Okay, so that's how to log in Resso apps with a TikTok account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.